Have you ever wondered if you could make money just by sharing links to Walmart products? Like, what if every time your friend clicked your link and bought something on Walmart.com, you got paid for it? That's the idea behind the Walmart affiliate program. And in this video, we're diving deep into what it actually is, how it works, and whether it's even worth your time. Spoiler alert, it's not quite as straightforward as it sounds, but it might still be a decent option for the right kind of person. So let's break it down together. What is the Walmart affiliate program? So here's the deal. Walmart has an affiliate program that lets you earn a small commission every time someone buys something through your custom affiliate link. It's totally free to join, and you don't need to have a huge following to apply. Basically, once you're approved, you get access to tools that let you create links, banners, and other stuff to promote Walmart products. Someone clicks your link and buys something within 3 days, you get a small percentage of the sale. That's the core idea. Simple enough. But like most things, the details matter. How to join the Walmart affiliate program. Joining is actually pretty easy. Just click the link down in the description to get started with the Walmart affiliate program. Click the sign up button and fill in some basic information. They'll ask about your website or social media platforms, basically where you plan to share your affiliate links. Walmart uses a platform called Impact Radius to manage their program. If you've never used it before, don't worry. It's a dashboard that helps you keep track of clicks, commissions, and payments. It's fairly beginner friendly once you get the hang of it. Approval usually happens within a day or two, and Walmart isn't super strict. So even if you're new to this, there's a good chance you'll get in. What can you promote? So Walmart has a massive online store. We're talking about millions of products: groceries, electronics, clothes, toys, beauty products, and more. If you can think of it, Walmart probably sells it. That sounds great on paper, but here's the catch. Not all products earn you commission. Some categories like video games, certain electronics, and even specific brands are either excluded or have really low payout rates. So even if someone buys something through your link, there's a chance you might not make anything from it. That's why it's important to know what's commissionable and what isn't. The best move? Stick to categories that offer 3% or 4% commissions and double check the exclusions before promoting anything. Commission rates and cookie windows. Now let's talk about money. How much do you actually make? Walmart's commission rates range from 1% to 4% on average. Here's a quick breakdown. 1% on media, video games, and electronics. 2% on accessories and a few other items. 3% on things like furniture and home goods, and 4% on household supplies, outdoor items, pet products, and some groceries. The commission is based on the sale price, not including taxes or shipping. Walmart's cookie window is 3 days. That means if someone clicked your link and buys something within 72 hours, you'll get credit for the sale. If they wait longer or click on someone else's affiliate link afterward, you lose the commission. Compared to Amazon's 24-hour window, Walmart's is definitely better. But other programs out there offer even longer windows, some up to 30 days or even 90 days. Realistic earnings. What can you make? Here's the part that nobody talks about. The commissions are small. Like really small. Let's say you promote a kitchen appliance that costs $150 and you get 2% commission. That's $3 per sale. Not bad, right? But if you want to make $300 in a month, you need to generate 100 sales. And that's assuming a decent conversion rate. Let's say 1% of your audience buys something. So to get those 100 sales, you'd probably need thousands, if not tens of thousands of people to click on your links. If you have a blog, a YouTube channel, or a decent following on social, it might be doable. But it's not passive income magic. You'll need to work for it. Walmart pays out commissions about 60 days after the month ends, and only once you've earned at least $50. So it can take a while to actually get paid. Now into some pros and cons, starting with the pros of the Walmart affiliate program. So let's not be too negative here. There are some solid upsides to the Walmart affiliate program. Number 1 is trust factor. People know and trust Walmart. You don't need to convince them that it's a safe site. 2, they have a huge product range. You can find products to promote in almost any niche. 3, decent cookie window. 3 days is better than some programs. Number 4, easy sign up. The barrier to entry is low. You don't need thousands of followers or a fancy website. 5, affiliate tools. You get access to banners, product feeds, and plugins to make promoting easier. Now for the cons and limitations. And yeah, there are also a few downsides that might be deal breakers depending on your goals. Number 1 is the low commission rates we talked about, and this is the biggest one. Most products only pay 1 to 4%, and that makes it hard to earn any real money unless you're driving a ton of traffic. 2, delayed payments. Waiting 2 months to get paid is kind of rough, especially when you're just getting started. 3, product exclusions. Not every product qualifies, and some brands are excluded entirely. 4, limited tools compared to Amazon. Now, while Walmart has some basic affiliate tools, it's not as advanced or customizable as Amazon's platform. 5, competition. Since Walmart is such a big brand, lots of affiliates are already out there pushing the same products. Walmart versus Amazon affiliate program. Now, people always ask, is Walmart better than Amazon when it comes to affiliate programs? And here's the honest answer. Depends on what you're looking for. Amazon has a way bigger product catalog, higher commission potential in some categories, and more advanced tools. But the cookie duration is super short. It's just 24 hours. And getting booted from the program is surprisingly common. In fact, it's happened to me 3 times. Walmart offers more stability and a slightly more generous cookie window. The approval process is easier, and it's a solid backup if Amazon ever shuts down your affiliate account. So it's not that one is better than the other. It's more about diversifying your income streams. If you're already doing affiliate marketing with Amazon, adding Walmart as a secondary option can help protect your earnings. So who's this program good for? Let's get real. If you're expecting to make $5,000 a month just from Walmart affiliate links, you're probably going to be disappointed, unless you already have a huge audience. But if you're just starting out, or if you already have a blog, YouTube channel, or email list with decent traffic, Walmart could be a nice add-on. Maybe you're creating gift guides, reviewing budget-friendly products, or curating deals for your followers. In those cases, having Walmart links in the mix makes sense. It's also great for creators who focus on family content, budget shopping, DIY projects, or anything that aligns with Walmart's typical product categories. If your audience already shops at Walmart, this could be a natural fit. So the question remains, is the Walmart affiliate program a good way to make money online? The short answer is, it can be, but probably not alone by itself. It's not going to make you rich, and the low commission rates are definitely a challenge to get over. But if you treat it as one income stream among many, and you're already creating content that fits with Walmart's products, it can be worth it. Just don't go into it expecting massive paychecks overnight. Like all affiliate marketing, it takes consistency, traffic, and time. But if you're looking for higher paying options, digital products and private affiliate programs usually offer better commissions. But if you're testing the waters or you want to monetize traffic that you're already getting, Walmart might be a good place to start. So let me know what you think down in the comments. Have you personally tried Walmart's affiliate program? And if so, what was your experience like? We'd love to hear about it. And if you want to get started with Walmart affiliate program, we'll have the link down in the description below. We'll also have a link to our affiliate marketing course down below as well. Now, these are affiliate links, which means that we earn a small commission when you use them at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on Side Hustle Mastery, we explore a wide range of different side hustle ideas, strategies, and tips to help you make an extra income. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.